Afusa, Afenga, Elisifo, Baobai, Matana. Warm greetings, my beautiful Samoa. My name is Tashana Obelu, and I am 18 years of age, and I am proudly sponsored by Lavash Couture, Papatai Telelava.
Tashana Obelu is 18 years old and is one of 4 children to Shirley and Sam Obelu. She completed her year 12 studies last year and is taking a gap year to focus on truly find her interests for 2024. She's a proud member of Ekalesia Malapos Potoma Kirisiano Samoa, Church George Hall, Sydney, Australia. Tashana is an office administrator and performs full-time on weekends for Spirit of the Islands Dance Company in Sydney. Tashana loves traveling, performing, and meeting people from all walks of life. Her ambition includes acting and performing, and wish to pursue this as a full-time career. Tashana joins Miss Samoa to learn more about herself and her Samoan heritage, and of course finding new opportunities arise, and she hopes to inspire the younger generations to never give up in pursuing their dreams. Thank you, contestant number 1, Tashana Obelu, Miss Lavage Couture.
Agency, Mawa Olois, Olo, Sweet Oba, Paptaila. Lotto for short is passionate about our Samoan language and culture. She has been raised in Samoa since the age of 2 and has been fully immersed in the Samoan culture through mana, education, and traditional duties. As a Tamaitai Samoa in her family village in Ekalista. Educated at Lea'aunga Fa'amasani Amosao Savao from the age of 4 by the prestigious Aiono Dr. Fanahafi, who took Moiloto under her wing and together with her late grandparents instilled the importance of language and culture and incorporating it into education. She is currently in her final year at the Lebuenga Falls School of Fine Arts, where she is the only female student. Moiloto is also an entrepreneur with her own little business, Revitalize Samoa Designs and Natural Beauty, where she hand makes products such as natural deodorants, coconut oil, ele, and her very own garments. It showcases her creativity and passion and helps pay for her school fees and materials. Moiloto loves dancing and singing with her ukulele. She is sponsored by Loto Town Agency, which is her mother's business, and the name means fighting spirit, and a combination of Moiloto's grandparents' name, Lealai I'Auloto and Taumate. Loto Tau represents how hard Moiloto's grandparents work for a better future for their children. Whenever faced with challenges in life, Moiloto is reminded through Loto Tau to keep fighting because hard work always pays off. She truly believes that through God, all things are possible. Thank you, contestant number 2. Papatai Lava. Moiloto le una le mamae Victoria Chelsea. Ulemina to la Ecotetia. This Loto Tau Agency.
E mo lava o na sili le biinga ma le papatai le tato tapao sili le langi. O no lona ngalelei ma lona lofa o tato au lia maiai le nei afiafi matsangofi e. Bao tspata lofa atuai le tato laulawa famasino. Papea le mamano o Samoa o potspoto mai. O lomo bingoa o Helen Saufayu is tolo le msio. E luas fulmaletolu o sausanga o sau mai alafua sa leimoa no foa ali le fanga lotsufanga mananosa manonotsai Maolo langolangoina malimalo siao eletsena lay creation Mawa long sweet sauva no meratsolu
Helen Tofayu Istolo Lemisio was born and raised in Samoa her whole life. She is 23 years old, a proud Catholic in Lefea Parish, and the eldest of 4 children with Mawai and Istolo Lemisio. She attended St. Mary's Primary School and St. Mary's College, which propelled her to the National University of Samoa, where she is currently studying a Bachelor of Arts degree, majoring in English Literature, Pacific Studies, with a minor in Archaeology. To support her studies and family, Helen is an officer in the Chinese Cuisine Catering and the Pacific Freight Samoa agent located in Vailima and Savalalo. She is a fun and carefree soul who is all about positive vibes and enjoy making new friends and sharing the beauty of her Samoan culture. Tonight, she is proud to represent her family, her community, and is proudly sponsored by Tainelele Creations.
Otsao ngai le aonga tusia tai le mwenga fo. Olo lang o ina au ere lotu tau agency mawa olo suito ba mewebo. Patsai la.
Loto Leula Le Mamae. Loto for short is passionate about our Samoan language and culture. She has been raised in Samoa since the age of 2 and has been fully immersed in the Samoan culture through mangana, education, and traditional duties as a Tamaita Samoa in her family, village, and Ekalis. Educated at Liao Masania Musao Sabao from the age of 4 by the prestigious Aiono Dr. Fanahafi, who took Moiloto under her wing and together with her late grandparents instilled the importance of language and culture and incorporating it into education. She is currently in her final year at the Leduwemafo School of Fine Arts, where she is the only female student. Moiloto is also an entrepreneur with her own little business, Revitalize Samoa Designs and Natural Beauty, where she hand makes products such as natural deodorants, coconut oil, ele, and her very own garments. It showcases her creativity and passion and helps pay for her school fees and materials. Moiloto loves dancing and singing with her ukulele. She is sponsored by Loto Town Agency, which is her mother's business, and the name means fighting spirit, and a combination of Moiloto's grandparents' name, Lealai I Auloto and Taumate. Loto Tau represents how hard Moiloto's grandparents work for a better future for their children. Whenever faced with challenges in life, Moiloto is reminded through Loto Tau to keep fighting because hard work always pays off. She truly believes that through God, all things are possible. Thank you, contestant number 2. Papetai Lama. Moiloto le una le mamae Victoria Chelsea. Ulemina to la Epatricia. This Loto Tau Agency.
E mo lava o na sili le biinga ma le whawhatai le tato tapao sili le langi. O no lona ngalele ma lona alofa wa tato au lia maiai le ne yafiafi matsangofi e. Bao tspata alofa atuai le tato laulau a whamasino. Whapea le mamanu o Samoa wa potspoto mai. O lo umingoa o Helen Tofayu Istolo Lemisio. E luas fulmaletonu o sausanga o sau mai alafua sa leimoa no foa ali le fanga lotufanga Mananood sa manonotsay. Maulo langolangoina malimalo siya eletsena lay creation. Mauawalo suitauba numero solo.
Solo Lemisio was born and raised in Samoa her whole life. She is 23 years old, a proud Catholic in Lefea Parish, and the eldest of 4 children, Kutamawai, and is Solo Lemisio. She attended St. Mary's Primary School and St. Mary's College, which propelled her to the National University of Samoa, where she is currently studying a Bachelor of Arts degree, majoring in English Literature, Pacific Studies, with a minor in Archaeology. To support her studies and family, Helen is an officer in the Chinese Cuisine Catering and the Pacific Freight Samoa agent located in Wailima and Samalalo. She is a fun and carefree soul who is all about positive vibes and enjoy making new friends and sharing the beauty of her Samoan culture. Tonight, she is proud to represent her family, her community, and is proudly sponsored by Taylor Lele Creations.
Falava Samoa. O lo'o ingoa. O miracle afele. E luas fumuolo tausanga. O a'o o te longonoa. Ma o te sau mai no'u o siusenga. Batufu tafoi. Ba o lo'o langolangoina ma osiao. E le asosi o le alfa liu i le ngangana whaatanga. Tā moa. Ma o au o lo suitauba numero 5. Talofa, talofa. My name is Miracle Afele. I am 26 years old and I am deaf. I am from the villages of Siusenga and Tuputafoi in the beautiful island of Savai. I am proudly sponsored by the Samoa Association of Sign Language Interpreters, and I am your contestant number 4. Thank you.
Miss Miracle Afele is a 26-year-old young deaf Tamaitai from the villages of Tuputafoi, Savai, and Siusenga. She is a proud member of the Samoa Association of Sign Language Interpreters, a member of the Nuanu'Lelofa, the National Advocacy Organization of Persons with Disabilities in Samoa, a founding member of the Samoa Deaf Association, a teacher aide at CNSA Inclusive Education, and a member of the Apia Protestant Church Samoa. Her father is Seula Manutua Haina Afele, and her mother is Farise Seula Afele, residing at Tuputafoi, Savai, and she has 2 sisters and 3 brothers. She was born in Samoa and moved to New Zealand in 1998. Miracle Afele grew up in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and attended a special school for deaf students. She moved back to Samoa in 2010, where she attended Whātua Christian College. Miracle is currently working as a teacher aide for deaf students at CNSA Inclusive Education Services, where she trains and leads the TVET program for deaf students. In the beginning of this year, 2023, Miracle had the opportunity to further her studies in the Australia Pacific Training Collision, undertaking the Foundation Skills and Knowledge course, FSK, and will graduate sometime this month. With the knowledge and skills she gained from the course she studied, she hopes to continue to support and assist other students who are deaf. Miracle's vision is to encourage and empower other young Tamaitai with disabilities in Samoa to participate part of this great platform, Miracle advocates for the inclusion of all women with disabilities in Samoa and around the Pacific to stand up and make a change despite the many challenges they face.
Go to low lava. Alex yo sa amali to yao. Ona olu utaliola awa o Samoa o le atu sofi e pa ia mai le mabau se ia o le fa mabau. O lea o te whaafata lofa ma whaafeloa e atu ai. E susunga o whaafengainga mao o tau whaletua. Le pa ia e whaamasino filifilia. Ai maise le komiti whaafoe o le nei por kalame mātu o fie. Tupu mai o Samoa poto. O le a o le o i o Samoa whainga. Ina ne isasi se ngana o la whai lea malape. O lo ingoa, o cherish, whaamamu, Manaya. E lua se fululima o usausanga, ma o se sau mai i alalafanga, o ma lifa, nusuatia, sa tufia sa tupaitia, ma sau i savai. Ma o lo lango ina o tangata lua New Zealand, as your Miss Samoa New Zealand, and I am your contestant number 5, Baftai Lava.
Miss Samoa, New Zealand, is born and currently resides in Christchurch, New Zealand. She is 25 years young and daughter of Kalipo and Lina Manaya, and the eldest of 4 siblings. Cheris hails from the villages of Palifa, Tuusuatia, Tatufia Satupaitea, and south of the Big Island, Savai. Cheris also holds a bachelor's degree in civil engineering and currently works as a flight attendant for Air New Zealand. Cheris loves to read and enjoys spending quality time with her family and her friends. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for your contestant number 5, Cheris from Manu Manaya, Miss Samoa New Zealand.
Hey! Totolumai! Lele ua motu I vasa le suina ula nai le papa. Ua musa foi fongaa le sana lala. Ata alo I vai le ata o le tama o Samoa nangalu. O te whātalo whātu I awhio ngai whāmasino. O tupu mai o si o tātou atu nuu. Le paia o le au whainga luenga le atua I so se whakawhai taulanga. Ma le mamalu o Samoa ua poto I le nei afiaki. O au o Vailei Von Dinklage. E lua se fulu male lima o tausanga. O teine o le amo mua mai le tu malo malasi o anu amaka. Mai le afio ama o lua tu anu. Mai ai foi o fasino manga. Inisi o afio anga. E au fia ai. Ale lote o fanga. A mai le vai usu. No fuali. Tanga. Male taulanga o sabai. Fale alupo. O au o lau sui tau wānu mera ono, ma ua mawhai ono au ai mai, I le nei whāmoe tāua, ona o le langa sua, a le Jet Samoa! Greetings and talo falava, my beautiful Samoa. I am Vailei Von Dinklage, 25 years of age, your tallest contestant for tonight. I am pleased to represent the district of Anoamaa from the village of Luatuanu. With family linkages to Amaile, Lotafanga, Vayusu, Nofuali, Tanga, and Savai's town area of Falealupo. I am your
contestant number 6, and it is an honor for me to participate on this platform through the support of a small creative business where little things matter, Jack Samoa!
Miss Jan Samoa is the eldest of 2 girls who was raised by her maternal grandparents. She is a former student of St. Mary's College who graduated as a top student in media and journalism in 2019. At the National University of Samoa, she was fortunate to attain her diploma in this field with the support of her family. In 2019, she served an internship at the Pacific Corporation Foundation as a videographer and photographer, as well as working as a volunteer at the 2019 Olympic Games. Early on in her career, Bailey had the opportunity to work with Tangata Pacifica, Sunpix, and the Samoa Observer. She currently serves as an executive assistant in the C4U Finance and Technologies. Outside of her formal employment roles, Ms. Jan Samoa serves as a Sunday school teacher, choir member, and lector of word for the Lutuanu Catholic Parish. Bailey believes that joining the Alofale mentorship program has boosted her confidence and courage to apply and participate in the 2023 Digicel Miss Samoa pageant, encouraging her to step out of her comfort zone to learn and grow personally and professionally. Miss Jan Samoa is passionate about youth development and the areas of sports, health, and education. While she embarks on this year's Miss Samoa experience, Bailey dedicates her journey to her late grandparents, the late Aiau and Selapi Abiu, who had been her pillars of strength and inspiration throughout her upbringing. She also hopes to inspire the next generation of young girls and Tamaitai in her village and communities to be brave and embrace every opportunity to thrive and be of service to Samoa. Your contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, Bailey on English, Miss Jan Samoa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and our beautiful esteemed judges. My name is Siliva Siaea. I am 26 years of age, and I come from the beautiful villages of Sa'ailua and Samata in Sabai, Sa'alua in Manono, Matsa Felefele in Abia, and Uuli in American Samoa. I am proudly sponsored by NSLA, and I am your contestant number 7, Kastalama.
Suliba is 26 years old and hails from the villages of Sa'ailua, Samata, Sa'alua Manono, Mata Felefele Yapia, and Uuli in America Samoa. She is the youngest daughter of Reverend Mariota Siaea and Rosa Siaea, who is currently the minister of the Methodist Church of Mata Felefele and the superintendent of the Apia Society Center. Siliva graduated from the National University of Samoa with a diploma in tourism and a bachelor in commerce, majoring in marketing and with a minor in management. She is an active member of the Mata Felefele Methodist Church, where she is a member of the youth, choir, women fellowship, and a Sunday school teacher. According to Saliba, she lives to serve her parents, helping them with their everyday needs and taking care of them. Her hobbies include reading, dancing, singing. Saliba also using her TikTok account to showcase her passion and talent in sewing and crafting, and she is always eager to learn more. She plans to continue her education and continue to help her family, community, and church. Her lifelong dream is to be a part of the Miss Samoa pageant, but now her dream has become a reality. She sincerely believes, if I can do it, you can do it too. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly sponsored by MSLA.
Foi fungaan sana lala. Ata aloy baile ata le tamo Samoa ngalo. O te fatalo fa tu ya fio ngai fa masino. O tupu mai o sio tato atunu. Le pa ia o le au fai ngaluenga le tu ai so se fa ka fai tau langa. Ma le mamalu o Samoa ua poto i le nei a fiafi. O au o vailei von Dinklage. E lua se fulu male lima o sausanga. O teine o le amo mua mai le tu malo malosio anu amaa. Mai le afio anga o lua tu anu. Mai ai foi o fasino manga. Inisio afio anga. E au fia ai. Ale loto fanga. A mai le vai usu. No fuali. Tanga male tau langa o sabai. Fale alupo. O au o lau sui tau va numero uno. Ma ua mawhaio na o awai mai. I le nei wha moe moe taua. Ona o le langa sua. A le Jet Samoa. Greetings and talafalava, my beautiful Samoa. I am Violet von Dinklage, 25 years of age, your tallest contestant for tonight. I am pleased to represent the district of Anuamaa from the village of Nuatuanu. With family linkages to Amaile, Lotafanga, Vayusu, Nofuali, Tanga, and Savai's town area of Falealupo. I am your contestant number 6, and it is an honor for me to participate on this platform through the support of a small creative business where little things matter, Jet Samoa!
Miss Jet Samoa is the eldest of 2 girls who was raised by her maternal grandparents. She is a former student of St. Mary's College who graduated as a top student in media and journalism in 2019. At the National University of Samoa, she was fortunate to attain her diploma in this field with the support of her family. In 2019, she served an internship at the Pacific Corporation Foundation as a videographer and photographer, as well as working as a volunteer at the 2019 Pacific Games. Early on in her career, Bailey had the opportunity to work with Tangata Speaker, Sunpix, and the Samoa Observer. She currently serves as an executive assistant in the C4U Finance and Technologies. Outside of her formal employment roles, Ms. Jet Samoa serves as a Sunday school teacher, choir member, and lector of word for the Lutuanu Catholic Parish. Bailey believes that joining the Alofale mentorship program has boosted her confidence and courage to apply and participate in the 2023 Digicel Miss Samoa pageant, encouraging her to step out of her comfort zone to learn and grow personally and professionally. Miss Jet Samoa is passionate about youth development and the areas of sports, health, and education. While she embarks on this year's Miss Samoa experience, Maya Lay dedicates her journey to her late grandparents, the late Aiau and Selapi Avayu Aviu, who had been her pillars of strength and inspiration throughout her upbringing. She also hopes to inspire the next generation of young girls and Tamaitai in her village and communities to be brave and embrace every opportunity to thrive and be of service to Samoa. Your contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, Vailei von Dinglich, Miss Jazz Samoa.
O te whātalo whātu i le paia mamamalo Samoa o kota mai. Whāpea le paia o lo lawi whamasino. Tālofa, tālofa, tālofa lava. O lawi ngō o siliva sia ea. Ua luas whumiliona o tausanga. Ma o te sao mai sala i lua ma sa mata i savai. Sa loe manono, mata fele fele ia pia. Manu uli i Amerika Samoa. O lo lango ina malo sia e enas ele ma o o lo suito va numer fitu. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and our beautiful esteemed judges. My name is Siliva Siaea. I am 26 years of age, and I come from the beautiful villages of Sa'ailua and Sa'amata in Savai, Sa'alua in Manono, Matsa Felefele in Apia, and Niuuli in American Samoa. I am proudly sponsored by NSLA, and I am your contestant number 7, Fasalawa.
Siliva is 26 years old and hails from the villages of Salailua, Sa'amata, Sa'alua Manono, Mata Felefele Yapia, Manuuli i Amerika Samoa. She is the youngest daughter of Reverend Mariota Siaea and Rosa Siaea, who is currently the minister of the Methodist Church of Mata Felefele and the superintendent of the Apia Society Center. Siliva graduated from the National University of Samoa with a diploma in tourism and a bachelor in commerce, majoring in marketing and with a minor in management. She is an active member of the Mata Felefele Methodist Church, where she is a member of the youth, choir, women fellowship, and a Sunday school teacher. According to Siliva, she leaves to serve her parents, helping them with their everyday needs and taking care of them. Her hobbies include reading, dancing, singing. Siliva also using her TikTok account to showcase her passion and talent in sewing and crafting, and she is always eager to learn more. She plans to continue her education and continue to help her family, community, and church. Her lifelong dream is to be a part of the Miss Samoa pageant, but now her dream has become a reality. She sincerely believes, if I can do it, you can do it too. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly sponsored by MSLA, contestant number 7, Siliva Siaea.
O te whātalo whātu i le paia mamalu o Samoa, ua poto mai. Talofa, talofa, talofa lava. O lo ingoa o Carameli Sarah Purcell. Ua luas fululima neo tausanga, ma o te sau mai a whioanga o Vailele, Pausanga, Vaiee, muli vaisa fata, malaela masale au mua I ale pata. Olo o lango ina maalosi au e arile couture. Good evening, Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Carmeli Sarah Brissell. I am 25 years old. I come from the beautiful villages of Bailele, Mulivai, Bayee, Mulivai Safatsa, Malaila, and Saleh Al Mua in Ale Fatsa. And I am proudly sponsored by the one and only Fashion Boutique Arile Couture, giving you a colorful Samoa. And I am your contestant number 10, Papsai Lava.
Carmeli, also known as Kara or Meli, was born and raised in Samoa and has always dreamt of being a part of the Miss Samoa pageant since she was a little girl. She has 4 sisters and 4 brothers, making her one of 9 siblings. Carmeli would like to dedicate this special journey to her family, especially her father, Laumatia Manu Ringo Purcell, and her mother, Isita Purcell. She currently works at Taula Beverages as a sales representative. At the same time, she is also studying a Bachelor of Commerce, majoring in management with a minor in economics at the National University of Samoa. She says her current career goal is to work in human resource, HR, as she considers herself a social butterfly, excelling in collaborating with other people and sharing ideas. Carmeli loves to dance, sing, hang out with her friends, and eat seafood. Although she was brought up Catholic, she currently attends Peace Chapel Christian Fellowship in Apia. She thanks God for bringing her to where she is in life, as it is her faith that pushes her to achieve her goals in everything she does. Carmeli's message to anyone listening right now, especially the youth, is to have a goal and believe you can do it. Nothing is impossible with God. Samoa, it's my time, Carmeli Sarah Purcell. This is Relay Couture.